Warm welcome.
International seminars. So I would like to welcome sir. Thank you very much for being here. Economic background.
NEP 2020. Anyway,
Yes.
3 branches.
Three branches.
Three branches.
Did university? I think this is in the campus, na? University. Yeah.
Fire extinguishers for safety security. CCTV cameras are also there at different places.
Dr. Patel Sahib office books in Dr. Patel Sahib, Ishwantram Murthy Sahib, Ishwar Chandreshwar Ganga, you can fix up your for digital library, access, data library, what it is of your for, represents 2,900 then other total numbers of 37, this is reference. UG books, PG books, page books, subsystems, IT information technology 5,500 feet, 400 kilometers area.
Mr. Shivaji Deshmukh, Mr. Nisar and Mr. Shankar Bhai. Examination is based on that 2 unit, which is a 30 marks examination. The university provides that question paper through that online notes are there.
Yes.
The total 108 questions are available in this lab. We know questions. I'm teaching PBL subject, project-based learning. The subject is actually in
traveling process online. Reduced this whole system in our web app as in very engaging. Our e-ticket booking system makes sure that
that is draft and that is take place. That question is a gym timing is morning that is 6 to 8:30 a.m.
Idea lab, incubation center.
good morning sir.
Yes, ma'am. These are the third year students.
This is
IIC cell is there. Then we have the
Problem in perception in the wavelengths. Basically, that is due to the
Just like there is a pattern certificate for that and IIC 4.0 which is the certificate.
Optimization device. This is a data energy. Suppose if you want to some Gattapacha material is inserted in that one.
Entrepreneurship and development. So we have
also separate for that where we emphasize more on the students who think more about the startup. Mission and startup policy. This policy has three main steps: policy implementation, policy coordination, and policy impact creation. So, all the basic.
Box everywhere at the outside area.
Suggestions. We have the smart boards also.
Visualize the object. Actually, it is not part of the sim. And these are the it is recently solution without scale. If they are measuring this.
Come, sir. Come this way. Yes, yes. Yes, you are
Students can read this one.
No problems.
Sorry, I reacted badly.
No problems.
I so many years I am working here and so many capacity as a principal, vice secretary, secretary, vice chancellor, and chancellor.
And so now, then
I was there.
Yes, sure. Industry Institute say, along with me in the placement say we have
WhatsApp. The student coordinators every morning post a question and we expect all of the called up board members to answer. During my entire journey at Century Financial has been an exhilarating.
We are associated for more than 10 years.
Now, that just not that data also.
Professor Samarendra Saha, Vice Chancellor, Radha Govind University, Jharkhand. Secondly, we have Member Coordinator, Professor Krishna Rani, Professor.
So we will be submitting everything after due process. The MAC finally will be declaring the gradation, right, of this institute. So this is the
Andhra Pradesh. Member Dr. Ramalingam Sir, Professor Savita Institute of Medical and Technical, Tamil Nadu. We now hand over the session to the respective NAC committee members for the interaction. Thank you. Then we have the member coordinator, Professor Usharani, Professor Shri Padmavati Ramalingam, Professor Savita Institute of Medical and Technical, Tamil Nadu. We now hand over the session to the इंटरैक्शन के लिए आपका स्वागत करते हैं। आज हमारे साथ अध्यक्ष प्रोफेसर समरेंद्र साहा, वाइस चांसलर, राधा गोविंद यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड से है। सदस्य समन्वयक प्रोफेसर उषा रानी मैडम, प्रोफेसर श्री पद्मावती महिला विश्वविद्यालय आंध्र प्रदेश यहाँ से है। और सदस्य डॉक्टर अदाला रामलिंगम, प्रोफेसर।
Let me avoid speaking in English ना, थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हो सकता है आप लोग को लिए।
हाजीर राजे आणि ज्या माऊलीनं या महाराष्ट्राच्या मातीमध्ये
विजनरी ज्योतिबा फुले हमारे भीतर आए। ये लड़ाई लड़ेंगे, हम लड़ेंगे गुलामी इच्छा।
तुम्हारे सारे सवालों का जवाब मिल गया? मुझे अभी यहाँ होने का
enrollment rate from 1819 we are consistently improving on all the aspects.
What is the graduation?
Professors and associate professors.
I think you have the acting class. Yes, sir. You will have a maybe not 1,000. So
Many activities and hands-on workshops. We also looks after the PG.
We can send you, sir.
Something is very good. Why not you?
Outstanding Leader Award. Staff has completed NPTEL courses and Madam has received topper in one course.
One gold.
It is a means it is a RSA program, which is in which we are.
Actually using the skills for their experience, and we also provide
activated actually for a common man who doesn't know about these circuits.
Get to know more about different tools that we can use.
Do you find time for all this?
Yes, sir.
software is installed for students, example hardware and everything, because we can't afford a
brief introduction, the list of experiments are mentioned here.
And they have told us how to simulate step by step.
So the database and all are the curricular subjects in the end.
One image as a query image to which we have to find similar faces.
4:30. In case of library, what will be the timing? So that is
Spark Nimda, working in HMI.
Details and everything. On one click.
5 papers. According to you.
Yes, sir. First 10 papers are top 10 papers and
It's a regular class. That is better.
opportunity offered the student in the right faculty. And
go for patents also. This publishing
information which is required by the college. Speak of the responses that we have.
application manager in lab.
you have submitted the reports.
Thank you, sir.
So I have got this from the Rogers Corporation, USA. So I have got this.
Yeah, after my internship, whatever difficulties I faced with respect to competitive
Most of all
So this is electronic measurement and mechatronics.
What is the advantage? This is the work and it is mostly used for the low pressure application. Electrical circuits. DC sharp router, DC means direct current, electrical.
Yes.
products devices.
Here we are showing you one of the content in your syllabus practical, that is of design of linear regulators. Yeah, I sit here. Allow me
So is this manual for
receiving everything, syllabus, CO, PO, PSO, course objectives, content.
This is file for
All the 40 files are as per the These are also encouraged to help and the faculty will conduct the remedial classes for the subjects in which there are
Shall I show it?
Years, and they have attended very better management camp in 1 to 2020 not there. Wherever we were staying now, like under the adopted villages. Not the service to the people.
Ma'am, what we are
here on accounts.
And that's all the scheme of regarding
Responsibilities. So these responsibilities are located as a department level as well as district.
What is the strength of
Globally competent female engineers.
Okay. That is in your website under the Department of IT.
I will send you. And above record. After that also ready to
They have given 4 choices and they deliver the sessions in the classrooms regarding that and also they prepare the reports. And we are
and professionally a mechanism where we can do the things automatically, right?
Performing using their intelligence. This is the definition. Like that it has to come. This project program definition is
Problem statement was like the field of defense and research. Yes, sir. We have launched the application by using Salesforce.
apply on this part and summarize over there and verify the difference between how much
We are smart classes. This is your uniform. Whatever your is.
yes, just now
separately.
In complex reading, there are
We use language lab to learn them English language. From a student of 10. So we have IC students who will welcome you in 15 minutes.
The name of the software is Digital Language Laboratory. This is the teacher console on.
So madam, we are getting results of this communication.
This is the software that the computer
We have lab assistant now, Akshay Gaikwad.
Ma'am, also
So
I'm
your
at
project
university level, ma'am, I'm the subject chairman for the 3 subjects, discrete mathematics.
Okay, where you did your internships?
In the next semester, in the second semester,
Our students participate as well as showcase their talents. Okay? And she is Professor Seema Khatri,
Operating systems, analysis systems, machine learning. Machine learning. Yes. Okay, next.
conducted one workshop on mastery application for all the non-governmental organization. We are creating technology for front-end and for back-end and for connection.
I am Professor faculty member of Computer Engineering Department.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is
if
not-
any problem comes into the computer, are you in a position to assist them?
Done my internship in my third year, like in my 7th semester and my 6th and 7th semester specifically.
Was a professor at Rice University, Texas. He guided us about how resilience and efficiency works in
Wonderful hostel in hostel is nice and they provide you
Computer CO lab.
Because our students do really very nice internships with different companies.
Exercises.
Which
programs
use assignments?
Practical assignments.
Internship itself, I was the internship student partner. My role was to motivate students and reach the target.
Are you interested to do the
Yes, like Metasploit, Bash, and we use it to test.
Servers are available.
Okay. Lab. The hardware, the facilities, what are there? How to understand? Please let the participant.
Yeah.
For networking lab, we have like TCP/IP connections.
How unique your work is when compared with others. How we are trying to we have these allow the people.
Yes, it comes under common facility.
Any director, computer director or
Your name and your permission.
Shikar Good Direct MSc Software.
These numbers are kept on each and every machine.
here in this. Anyone comes, how many computers are there?
To introduce ourselves in the interview. Then we had a group discussion. Also resume writing. We have.
So maybe AI tools, the connectivity will be the future thing. So it is not.
Are you comfortable with laser and everything? Actually, madam, for today's visit, how you kept your rules. Okay, the management, what they want to do, they can do. But this is only upstairs. But all the files and everything upstairs.
Here, first aid kit is also there. We have a first aid kit also at every 3 months so that we can update it.
Tea and after that dinner. रोज साफ करते हैं ऐसा हाँ एक ही see how neatly they get this in it.
Yes.
Yeah. Where I will go to the
No, for each.
या फिर आप शूटिंग करो वीडियो
currency system. Another picture.
उसके बाद ये अपना सर ये अपना सीवेज ट्रांसफर दिस इज आवर आउटपुट प्रोडक्ट ये गार्डनिंग पर्पस में यूज करते हैं आफ्टर डिसइंफेक्शन
Become the job providers instead of job seekers. Okay, they must get the knowledge related to what is you people that who are already there, they need and what they correct them. Okay. that gap, please try to fill that gap.
Yeah, even last year, there was a startup, so they told me that after engineering we start.
Is it a manufacturing facility?
Yeah.
What did you do actually?
So basically.
Side light, también.
Not coming over here, all students are there. Only few students are coming over. Some students are coming later.
All of this is online university, but we have restricted to students. So we might have to make it.
Also, every Thursday from 2 to 3, we have a consulting doctor who's a gynecologist from Bharatiya Vidya Pith. Her name is Mridula Kulkarni, who comes here for consulting students.
Okay. Only on the Thursday.
Thursday.
Okay. For the rest of the days, if anything is
That's
happening,
weekly. That we have so many other doctors are coming over there. The psychiatrists are there. Some of
that
them
is
are there.
gynecologist on Thursday also.
About this anti-ragging thing in students. So there are few competitions also, like
Light support.
team visit committee for accreditation purpose. This strong power committee sent by the NAC for the purpose of accreditation, final gradation, and welcome to the particularly senior person like you and our principal, IQAC director, or coordinator, whatever you just reference, and the other deans and heads and senior personnel of this institute. And on behalf of the P2B committee, myself, Dr. Usha Madam, Dr. Adilshan. So in fact, I'm sorry, just although
My name is my dad.
That is a better thing. So that is better way, and that will be more. Although I just now have spent, I think it is a part of that. Just now, don't think it is a very serious business. Although I have just now started with very seriousness of that piece of business of this today's program. In fact, I have spent 13 years in BITS Pilani. Just 70% of the students as well as faculty of BITS Pilani belong to South Indian. Out of that, South Indian also 70 to 80% from Tamil Nadu. So I know that sort of. But this in fact, 2-3 days also I have not been able to, mug up of that particular word. And we are really thankful that the way you have given your hospitality and your reception has been given to all of us. So we'll be thankful for that. And of course, this is the system, means the NAC process is there. And as you personally, you have understood, just 2 hours back, we thought now we have relieved, fine. Just I thought, although I just shared this way, no, not now, because it may so happen that he may be having in this mind that they have so fast they have done. It is not supposed to be done so fast, but as per the schedule is also to be maintained. That is the reason I thought just now let me. Then after doing this work from our end, I thought no, it is now okay. Now we can just make a call. I made a call. Then he said just now that coordinator, he said that there is a mistake. They are not accepting this. System is not accepting because of some, HTML and like that. It had to be downloaded and accordingly then and only then. So we have skipped that step. Since we have skipped that step, so we have done all the things, email also, but the system didn't accept. They are saying just. So that's the reason we had to sit again. But it didn't take a long time because everything was there. Just again I had to open the portal, and just now opening the portal, it was just we did understand that mistake, slip of mind, outer slip of mind, that mistake has taken place. Just now downloaded. It was not got downloaded. That is the reason system didn't accept. However, just now let me come back to that point. So I am supposed to hand over as per the normal process of that NAC. That the report, whatever the report we have made as per that SSR report, you have just exercised a lot, obviously lots of time you had to put, the efforts also have to be put, and then and only then you have submitted, then finally some queries, doubts, and all the things, answers, replies. So after that, this meeting has taken place, the visit has taken place, and out of that visit also whatever we have assessed and whatever the drawbacks or the deficiencies. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And
state and international students, try to invite them also, because in the NIRF you are going to get the marks if you have that type of the students in your institution. Okay.
Points that have been covered.
Yes, sir.
Just not it is there.
Yes.
And
Basically, this is my first visit as an assessor, but I felt highly comfortable. I think it appeared to be a highly organized stuff. The flow was very smooth, and to be more specific, the team here is very good, sir. It is a very good and active team. This is what I observed. My personal stuff is related to publications. I think you can improve a lot. And the heads should transcend the idea into the faculty members. Like publication is a win-win situation. The affiliated institution wins the race and your CV again, it gets included in your CV. And that's the way I think it is better to impress the faculty. Like publications play a vital role in NARF as well as the other rankings and all that. And important to stress, it is a win-win scenario for the management as well as for the faculty. And that is one thing which I want to stress. But I'm thoroughly impressed with the way the stakeholders express their positive opinions about the institution. And it happens sometimes like it is predetermined, but what I felt is it is coming directly from their heart. So it appeared to be very nice, and they showed a tremendous amount of belongingness to this institution, and that is highly impressive. So thank you all, thank you for the hospitality and all that. Thanks.
So on behalf of Bharati Vidyapith,
Honorable Chairperson, NAC PRT, Professor Dr. Samarendra Sahasar, Honorable Member Coordinator, NAC PRT, Professor Dr. Usha Rani M, Honorable Member NAC PRT, Professor Adalarsan Ramalingam, Honorable Joint Secretary, Bharati Vidyapith, Dr. K.V. Zadar sir, Honorable Principal, Bharati Vidyapith College of Engineering for Women, Professor Dr. P.V. Zadar sir, Honorable Principal, Bharati Vidyapith College of Engineering.